Welcome to your demonstration of iSpy Phonics. The circle on the screen in this demonstration video indicates your fingertip on the iPhone. At the home screen here, you will have the option of going straight to the working app or adjusting the settings. In Settings, you can select a female or a male voice to accompany the images. You do not have to adjust this, as the app will default to a female voice. Here the app will go straight into its display version. iSpy Phonics has each of the letters of the alphabet with its own icon plus its phonics sound. These load alphabetically when you open the app. You can swipe through the alphabet until you come to the letter you want to work with. At the end of the alphabet, there are also 4 common consonant sounds needed for many common words. When you select a letter by touching it, in this case the letter H, it will go full screen whilst playing the phonics sound. Once you have the letter full screen, you have 3 choices. You can use the back button to go back to the main letter menu. You can hear the H sound as often as you like by pushing the letter icon. Or thirdly, you can look at an item that starts with the H sound.
I spy things beginning with H.
On this screen, you have the option of looking at 2 frames. Each letter in iSpy Phonics comes with a preloaded image and a frame where you can add your own photograph and sound. When a picture is selected, it will go full screen and play the voice clip so the phonics sound can be heard in a word. This helps a child learn the sound that is connected to that letter.
Hat.
On this screen, the word hat can be heard as often as you want by pushing the picture. When you want to move on, push the back button to go back to the previous screen.
Hat. Hat. Add your own I spy here.
The second screen here allows you to add your own information to iSpy Phonics. This is a feature that children really enjoy as they love using the iPhone and adding their own pictures and voice. This playful, interactive use of the app really speeds up their letter and sound recognition by enabling them to learn from their own voice. To add an image to the app, you need to add 3 things. And here you can clearly see the 3 things needed: a photograph, a title, and a voice recording. Firstly, a picture needs to be found from one of the sources listed. You can use the iPhone camera to take a photo and add it directly into the app. You can also copy one in from your photo library or camera roll. Additionally, you can paste in a photo that you have already copied from another source, like email or the internet. Pictures you have may not be perfectly framed, but don't worry. iSpy allows you to expand, move, and reposition your photo until it fits the available frame in the way you want. You can see this here with the resizing of this picture. Now you need to add your picture title using the keyboard and the red record button for recording your voice.
Pause.
Why not make the iSpy app a game you can play with your child? Rather than use the camera roll, why not say to your child, "Hey, what else can you see in the room that starts with H?" Unless you have a very big house, you may not have a real horse in the corner, but you may have strategically placed a toy one on a shelf so your child can discover the horse and the fact that it starts with the H sound. Then ask the child if they want to take a photo of it and put it into the app with you. Kids love this feature, and because they are involved in the building of their learning aid, they forget they are learning or just having fun with you and iSpy Phonics instead. All the letters give the opportunity to add a personal image in the same way. Each letter also has its own pre-provided image and sound recording, so you get the ideal combination of interactivity and learning from the material provided. All the letters have images that start with the appropriate phonics sound. The exceptions to this are the X and NG sounds. In English, these phonics sounds do not occur at the beginning of words.
I spy things with X. Box.
Here you can see the 4 additional consonant sounds found in everyday language that function in the same way as the letter icons.
Ng. I spy things with ng. Ring.
Another unique feature of iSpy Phonics is the ability to be able to change the content you have added into the app. Earlier, you saw horse being added, but to help your child continue to learn, you may want to change that to something else that starts with the H sound.
I spy things beginning with H. Horse.
You can now change the previous image to something else that starts with the H sound. One thing that children find very engaging is adding in their own picture. So if you had a daughter named Helen or a son named Harry, you could add their picture in here and they would then learn the H sound very quickly. In the Settings option, you can select a male or female voice for the preloaded images in the app. Also, you have the option to restore all the original pictures and voice recordings as it was when you first downloaded it. This childproofing has its obvious advantages, but it also allows the child to further develop their sound and letter recognition, as you can challenge them to fill the app again with different images that correspond to the phonics sounds. Now you have seen just how easy iSpy Phonics is to use and how interactive it can be, why not download it today and start enjoying tailored, engaging and educational fun with your child. I hope you have lots of fun with your iSpy Phonics, and please do send a review to the App Store or send us your feedback on the Contact Us page of the Mia's Apps website. Thank you and goodbye for now.